Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I want to show you how to make your own DIY detox water. This water flushes all toxins out of your system, and it's really good because it's an electrolyte water. So it contains electrolytes, which are basically minerals that the body needs. Examples of those are sodium, phosphates, calcium and magnesium. So it's also really good as it energizes your body. And like, for example, if you go to the gym, it's beneficial when you drink this water, as it will give you more energy and stamina. It's also good if you want to keep your tummy nice and flat, because it just basically aids in weight loss, because it just gets rid of all the toxins and waste in your system. And also beneficial if you've had like one too many cheat meals. We all love a cheat meal, and you just want to detox your system. So without further ado guys, let's get into the video. And if you're watching this guys, please like, comment or subscribe. To make this water you'll need two things: organic cucumber and spring water. This is one I made earlier, and I'm now just going to make a new one to show you guys how to do it. So it's really simple and easy. You just basically chop up your cucumber, and then you're just gonna add in spring water to your little mason jar. So I'm basically just taking my cucumbers, adding them to the mason jar, and I'm using quite a lot for not that much spring water. Usually I don't use this much, but the reason I am is because my cucumber was going out of date, so I didn't want to waste it. Now I'm just going to add my spring water. Once you've added in your spring water, then place it into the fridge like so. And the next morning, depending on how extra you are, you can strain it through, or you can just drink it straight from the mason jar. Using the strainer removes any bits from the cucumber,